This video is all about having Drupal installation in Windows operating system. So in the last video, we have seen what is Drupal, what is content management system. So in this tutorial, we are going to download and install Drupal. First, you need to check you have installed XAMPP and MySQL in your system, Windows operating system. For installing Drupal, you need to have XAMPP and MySQL. So let's see XAMPP. So XAMPP is already started and it is v3.30 version 3.3. Now MySQL, I have downloaded it. The version is 5.5. So minimum MySQL 5 you required to install Drupal. So how to connect with the MySQL? So MySQL is installed here in a bin directory. So you can see here. So let's see localhost, then program files, then MySQL 5.5 and bin directory. So I have copied this and pasted into a command prompt and connect with this command mysql u root p. U is a username root, p is a password. So this is password. And after connecting with a MySQL, check how many databases are there. So these are the databases. So for Drupal installation, you need to have a MySQL database. So let's create a database with a create database Drupal DB. So Drupal DB is the name of a database. So it is created Drupal DB. So let's minimize this. So first you should have MySQL installed, you should have XAMPP installed, start services of both. Now let's download the version of Drupal. So you can search it like this. Go to Google or you can go to Drupal website. Then Drupal 8 download. So I have downloaded this version, Drupal 8.9.8. So if you download this, you can see into a downloads folder. So if you can see downloads. So this is the folder 8.9.8. So this is a zip file. If you click on this, so this is the Drupal website. You can download it from the Drupal and download a zip. If you click on this, download a zip, you can have 30.22 MB file, zip file, which looks like this. So it is a zip file. You should extract it. So extract all. After extracting, the folder looks like this, Drupal 8.9.8. So after extracting all the content, if you can double click on the directory, you can see all the directories are present here. First, you have to copy all the directories, that is select all, copy these content, copy, where you should copy it to the XAMPP folder, but where? So localhost C, then go to the XAMPP directory, then htdocs, and into htdocs I have created a directory Drupal. So this Drupal is a user created by the user. So Drupal is the directory. Open it and just paste it. So I have already copied and pasted all the content of downloaded directory. So it will look like this. So we have Drupal directory in XAMPP htdocs folder. So now if you want to install it, then open a browser and let's run a Drupal website like this: http localhost Drupal. So it will going to start the installation. So we need to follow these commands and steps. So choose a language, English, save and continue. So select the installation standard, yes. So PHP opcode caching. So it is highly recommended op cache. So we are actually working on a localhost, so we don't need that. So let's install it anyway. So these are just information which required to create a setup for the Drupal. So click on continue anyway. Yes, now this setup of databases. So we have database configuration. Database we have already installed MySQL. So database name. So here we have created Drupal DB. So let's put a name Drupal. Username is root and password is also root. So there are advanced option localhost. The port number is 3306 and save and continue. Let's see what happened. So installing Drupal successfully, yes. So let's see how it is going. So actually Drupal 8.9.8, you just need a MySQL minimum of 5.5 version. So previously I have downloaded, I got an error, so I have uninstalled the previous version and installed MySQL 5.5. So installing modules, installing pages, cache module, installing filter module. So whatever you can see, we have 8.9.8 version, and in that directory there are so many directories which are modules, and modules are going to install into a particular htdocs folder. Now node module, breakpoint module, text editor module, ck editor module, comment module. So Drupal provides these modules to create pages. Date and time module. There are so many modules related. They are dependent on the version you installed. Taxonomy module, image modules. Yes. Link module, which helps to communicate with the other sites also. Views module. So 86% completed. 88% completed. So all the modules are going to execute and installed. So yes, 42 of 42, 100% is going to complete. So the last step is configure site information. So you can give a name of a Drupal website. So site name is, suppose we can give is any name, Drupal user. Site email address you can provide. Drupal user name site maintenance account. Drupal user can give another name, Drupal admin. Drupal underscore admin. Drupal underscore admin. Password is suppose admin. A weak password. So admin 28. Password matches, yes. So your password should be 12 characters long, uppercase and a combination of uppercase and lowercase, add numbers. Email address, default country. Select a country. Time zone. Default time zone. I think where is okay. Update notification in yes, save and continue. Configuring site. So username is Drupal admin and the password whatever we have. So you should remember your password, Drupal admin and password. So I will just skip this. So this is the installation completed. So you can see this is the Drupal page. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Drupal. Then this you can see appearance, extend, configuration, people, resort, content. So like this you can create pages and blogs. So in the next video we are going to create articles, that is creating articles, creating blogs. So one by one we are having content and publishing content.